Now, I don't make a lot of presentations myself, but if I did, this is how I would do it inside of Adobe Express, the sponsor of today's video. First, we're going to come over and select Generate Presentations from the Quick Edits menu. Add files about the market research that you've done about the company. You simply drag and drop the PDF and other documents into the area here. Enter in your prompt, but you'll also see custom suggestions based on your files down the bottom here. You can then customize the length, the audience, and the level of detail that you want in your presentation. Click on Next, choose a template that you want. I like this one here, and then click Next. Review and refine the outline, which is intelligently based on your source files and also your prompt. You can then use AI to make edits without starting over. You can also add in a new page, add in the details that you want, and click Generate Slide using the AI. One click and apply your brand to all the pages, applying your colors and your brand fonts. Use AI to rewrite, to rephrase, shorten or lengthen, and even change the way it sounds. And now you're happy with your presentation, you can either present directly from within inside Adobe Express or share your document with others. Try the new Generate Presentation feature inside of Adobe Express and let me know how it helps you own the room.